What is going on, guys? Marcus here, back with another video. Now it is a beautiful Friday morning. Yesterday I cooked up an amazing dinner and you guys really liked my breakfast video, so I'm gonna show you my dinner video. So without any more yapping, let's get right into the dinner that I eat every single day. First thing I'm gonna do here is cut up some peppers, some onions, and some garlic. Because I don't add any crazy funky flavors, any seasoning salts, just salt right now, this is where I'm gonna be adding in a lot more of the flavors. So if I take one little clove of garlic, cut it up into a bunch of tiny pieces, let it fry in the pan for a bit, the same with the peppers and the same with the onion, let the flavors start to come out of those. That's what's gonna help me overall flavor my meal. And this is the part where my animal-based ideologies are kind of falling apart. Not really, but obviously these are vegetables. Animal-based is usually anti-vegetable, but hear me out. Animal-based is really about making intentional choices with your food. When I started animal-based, I cut out everything I could possibly cut out. It is the perfect elimination diet, and then you can start adding foods back in to see what affects you and what doesn't affect you. I have found now that if I eat garlic, if I eat pepper, if I eat onion, I'm still fine. There's no issue. So I was able to add those foods back. Oh my God. I'm gonna show you guys an Argentinian thing. Buenos Aires, Argentina. You have these guys in trucks. So all the time these guys will come in, they'll terrorize your ears, so just watch out for that. I'm probably so zoomed in right now. Okay, so before I was disrupted from my rant, it was feeling like a really good rant, but now I kind of lost it. The elimination diet, the animal-based diet, I put the foods back in that work for me. That is why I have implemented some vegetables back in. So once I've let those cook in there for a few minutes, I toss in my ground beef with a little bit of salt on top. I just stir it around, and I'm gonna keep it cooking until all the fats come out. Once the fats come out of the ground beef, I still let it cook. I turn down the heat and I let it just cook inside of its own fats because that kind of helps the flavors fuse into the food. While this stuff is cooking, I start boiling some water and I throw a little bit of pasta. I try not to add too much pasta. Again, pasta is something that is not an ideal food. Inflammatory seed oils, sugar, all that fun stuff. But again, I really enjoy it. It makes me enjoy my food. So by eating a little bit of pasta, I can get a lot more meat, get a lot more of that protein in. I think it's a good trade-off. Once the pasta's done, I strain it. Usually by the time this is done, the ground beef is ready to go. Put it into a bowl, mix it all together. I usually like to add some Parmesan cheese, but I don't really have any right now. And there you go, that is my meal. Now, once again, we hit the problem. Okay, how many calories is that? I don't know, it's a lot of calories, I can tell you that. Ground beef is super fatty, pasta is super high in calories. It's like two of the high, I would recommend this food to somebody who is bulking, trying to put on muscle, mostly because of the pasta part. But again, because I have a lot of muscle, because I burn a lot of calories all the time, working out, walking around the city, for me, I can personally eat this without any issue, as I have been for the last long time. Okay, pretty quick video. If you haven't already watched my breakfast one, I pretty much do the exact same video, but for my breakfast, you guys seem to be enjoying how to get nice and big and muscular. One day I'll start. You guys seem to be enjoying my videos where I just talk about the food I eat. That being said, that's the end of the video. Stay tuned for my channel. I'm pumping out videos like crazy. I don't know if you can hear that truck again, and it's gonna drive me insane, but I will see you in the next video.